Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we will see how to make Moringa leaves and Chana Dal fry. Chana Dal is also known as Bengal gram. This is a very good snack also. Take 1 glass of Chana Dal in a pressure cooker. Wash twice thoroughly. Add 1.5 glass of filter water. Don't add too much, otherwise the dal may become mushy. The ratio should be 1:1.5 glass of water. Moringa leaves is one of the superfoods and it is very good for diabetic and hypertension patients. Try taking it at least once a week. For tempering, add crushed 8 garlic pods to 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Add 1/4 spoon of fenugreek seeds and coriander seeds. Let them splutter. Add 6 slit red chilies to it. You may add 1 spoon of urad dal and 1 spoon of chana dal. Fry well. Add 1/4 spoon of hing or asafoetida. Fry until aromatic. Add few curry leaves and fry well. Add pre-washed 1 cup of moringa leaves. Fry until the raw smell disappears. You may add grated coconut here for extra taste. It is not available with me right now, that's why I am not adding. It is a very good snack. If you want to have on a rainy day, just make it and have with a cup of tea. Add salt to taste. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Try taking the turmeric powder as much as you can in this rainy and winter season. It's very good for your health. Add pre-cooked dal and mix well. You can see dal is appearing as such. It's not mushy. It will be tastier when you get a bite of it. This goes very well with rice, rotis or as such. Add 1 spoon of red chili powder or you may adjust the spice according to your taste. Mix well thoroughly and fry for about 2 minutes on a high flame. That's all. Moringa leaves and chana dal fry is ready to serve hot. Serve hot and enjoy. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for further notifications. Do try this recipe and let me know in my comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.